All right, our first application problem for quadratics, because since you guys always ask, what are we going to use this for? Time for us to find out. We're going to use the characteristics of quadratics to help us answer some questions. So if you're sitting at home and you're trying to sketch a graph, you do not need to make a perfect graph. I will tell you what you should write down. So if you're sitting at home, you should definitely have this. The y-axis, you should definitely have this. The x-axis, you should definitely have the height and the distance from the springboard. Definitely have this shape. And on this shape, I just need you guys to notice three things. Here's one. Oops. Here's one. Oh, let's use a different color. Let's do this. You guys need to know this dot, and this dot. And I will even give you the values. So this one's going to be at 8, 0. This one's going to be at 0, 14. This one's going to be at 3, 23. If you're sitting at home and you're sketching the graph, yours just needs to look exactly like this. All right, answering the first, let's read it through. A Korean Olympian diver jumps off a springboard to perform aerials. The motion of the diver's body is modeled below. What is the x-axis measure? So go ahead and take a look at the x-axis. The x-axis measures the distance from the springboard. Let's go ahead and let's write that down in my handsome handwriting. Distance from the springboard. And that again was right here. What does the y-axis measure? That's going to be our height in feet. Right, what is the starting height of the diver? So if you look at this model, let's see, in the very beginning, when he is about to take off from the springboard, how high up is he? So here in the very beginning, let's go to a different color. Let's go to yellow. In the very beginning, at 0, his starting height was at how much? That is correct. The starting height was at 0, 14. So let's say 14. Oh, gosh. Let's do a different color. Let's do 14 feet high. Whoa, cannot spell high. All right, what did we just find? So the yellow things that I just circled, what did we just find? More importantly, what is this yellow dot? Or this yellow circle? That is correct, we just found the y-intercept. Next question, what is the highest height the diver will achieve? How long will it take for her to get there? The highest height, if I'm looking at this problem, what is the highest height that this diver will get to? Let's choose purple. So if the diver starts here on this blue dot and he or she jumps up right here, wouldn't this be the highest point right here? So at 3, 23. So the highest height is that's right, 3, 23. But we need to kind of make sense of this answer, right? To go back to the first two questions, what is the x-axis measure? What is the y-axis measure? So the x-axis measures the distance from the springboard, and then the y value measures the height. So the highest height will be the highest height is 23 feet, and they will get there um 3 feet from the springboard. What did we just find? What is this purple thing that we just found? This is the vertex. Good job. We just found the vertex. How long will it take for the diver to touch the water? That's not really how long, but how far from the springboard when the diver touches the water, how far will he be from the springboard? I guess that's a better question. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. Let's choose a different color. Let's do black. All right, so how long will it take for the diver to touch the water? Touching the water, this phrase is going to mean that when he comes back down, right? When he comes all the way back down right here. So how long will it take for the diver to touch the water? I want to say 8 feet from the springboard. What did we find? We just found the root or the x-intercept or the solution. And our bonus question, how long will it take for them to go from the highest point to the water? So from the highest point to the water, go ahead and see if you could answer this one. So from the highest point right here to here, I guess not how long, but how far will it take? How far will it be from the highest point back to when they touch the water? How far would they have traveled? Good luck.